Hi, my name is Bittu Kumar Singh. Basically, I'm from Bihar, and my friend suggest to start a career in IT sector. So join Evision Technoserve. Evision Technoserve is one of the toughest IT consulting and training providing placement also. So I have recently completed 45 days of OGT program from Evision Technoserve, and I have learned many things in IT, networking, cybersecurity, Linux, Windows Administrator, Windows Server, MS365, ITIL, and many things. Theory and practical also. And recorded session as too much helpful for beginner people. Too easy to understand. Mentor are always supported and helpful and behaves like a friend. So it's a good, and I have I have got flashed to STARTEK with the with package of 2.5 LPA in Kolkata location. So I had to heartily thanks to entire Evision team. Thank you so much.